everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. Today, I will be making yam vegetable. Ingredients: yam, vegetables, pumpkin leaf and water leaf, ugba, fresh pepper, onions, salt, red oil. Procedure: cut, peel, and wash the yam. Add salt and cook. Wash and cut the vegetables. Cut or rough grind the fresh pepper. Cut the onions too and set aside. Also, remove the ugba from the nylon/leaves. Once the yam gets done, sieve the water and set aside. Set a pot on fire and allow it to dry. Add the vegetables, fresh pepper, onions, and salt. Stir very well for some minutes. Add the yam, red oil, and ugba. Add more salt if needed and stir thoroughly. Bring it down. Do not allow the vegetables to overcook. Dish and serve. Health benefits: yams and vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress, inflammation, and cell damage. The combination of yam and vegetables has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Yams are rich in dietary fiber, while vegetables are high in fiber and water content, making them an excellent combination for promoting healthy digestion, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. The fiber and antioxidants in yams and vegetables may help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Regular consumption of yams and vegetables may help lower blood pressure due to their potassium content, which can help counteract the effects of sodium and reduce blood vessel tension. The antioxidants and phytochemicals present in yams and vegetables have been shown to have anti-cancerous properties, helping to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. Yams are rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, while vegetables are high in calcium and vitamin K, making them an excellent combination for supporting healthy bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. The antioxidants and vitamins present in yams and vegetables, particularly vitamin C and beta-carotene, can help protect the skin from damage, promote collagen production, and reduce the signs of aging. Yams and vegetables contain immune-boosting compounds like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which can help support immune function and reduce the risk of illnesses like the common cold and flu. The antioxidants and phytochemicals present in yams and vegetables may help improve cognitive function, memory, and mood, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline and dementia. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the recipe. Also, please like, comment, and share to your friends. Also subscribe if you haven't, so as to stay updated to more simple recipes. Bye.